Hi everyone, my name is Latif. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Git for Windows. So when I say Git, I mean um, Git client. So this is what you're going to have on your local computer, so you can run Git commands. So if you go to Google, you can search for download Git. You could pick for Windows or just go to the um, homepage, and here you can pick Windows. If you were doing for downloading for a different operating system like Mac or Linux, you can pick them accordingly. But this is for Windows, so I'm going to click on this. And here it is. It's already downloading. So if that didn't happen, you could come here to pick the specific one that you wanted. So this is all done now, and I'm just gonna click on the executable file. I'll have to accept, and on this screen, you have to click next. It's best to just click next all the way, basically, so you can have it as installed and the default location, which is a program file for me. So I'll do next. I'll leave all this as default. Next. I'll just do next. Um, I'll do next. I'm comfortable with all this to be in the right location. Um, next, next. You can make all these changes afterwards if you want, but you should just be default. Since you want it for basic purpose. Um, again, next, install, and the installation will start. I'm just going to pause the video so it doesn't take too long. And that's it, completing the Git setup wizard. So if I want to launch it, I would click on this. So it's going to launch the Git bash afterwards. And that is it, basically. This other bit is displaying because of the second button, which is just going to display some sort of readme about what we've done. So I don't need that. I can just do escape. And this is what I'm interested in, and that is the Git bash. And that's it. You can install Git bash this way, and this is the Git client, basically, where you can write Git commands on your local computer. Okay, I hope this helps. Bye now.